Everyone comes to Waco for Magnolia Market, but is it actually worth it? We spent a full day finding out, plus something prehistoric that nobody talks about. This isn't just another Chip and Joanna Gaines video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Yvette.
Hey guys, I'm Ken. We're Strange Life Adventures. Thank you for joining us today. We're in Waco. We're going to go check out some sights, but right now we're going to breakfast.
At Magnolia Table, of course, because when you're in Waco, you have to do something Magnolia, right? The Elite Cafe has been a Waco landmark for more than a century. The original restaurant first opened downtown in 1919 and was purchased the following year by the Colombian family. They're Greek immigrants who helped turn it into one of the city's most beloved restaurants. As automobile travel exploded across Texas, the family opened this beautiful Spanish colonial-style location on the Waco traffic circle in 1941, making it a favorite stop for travelers driving between Dallas and Austin. The restaurant became known for its southern comfort food, homemade pies, and warm Texas hospitality. After nearly 100 years in business, the Elite Cafe closed its doors in 2016 because of financial challenges. Later that year, Chip and Joanna Gaines purchased the historic property with a vision of preserving its history while giving it new life. They carefully restored many of the building's original features, including the iconic Elite Cafe sign, and reopened it in February 2018 as Magnolia Table. Today, it's one of Waco's most popular restaurants, serving breakfast and lunch to visitors from all over the country while honoring the legacy of the original Elite Cafe. We decided to split two breakfasts so we could try a little of everything. We ordered Joe's crunchy French toast with its crispy caramel cornflake coating, and then we had the farm breakfast with eggs, bacon, potatoes, and a biscuit. It was the perfect mix of sweet and savory, and both were absolutely delicious.
Hey guys, just want to give a quick review of this Elite Cafe, now called Magnolia Table. It's a restaurant started back in 1919. I was incredibly impressed with the cleanliness and the food, so I think everything was good. I enjoyed it.
Well, to me, it's definitely like a novelty of something you have to do when you're in Waco. It's Chip and JoJo's place, and I really honestly didn't have high expectations. I thought it's gonna be fine, but how can you mass produce, because the wait list was an hour, although actually we got in like 20 minutes. But you can't mass produce really good food, and guys, it was really good food. I mean, we had breakfast, brunch, we split something so we can get a sampling of everything, and it was really, really good. I loved it. It was awesome. So If you get around here, you need to come check it out, because it is worth it, even worth the wait. Now, let's talk about Magnolia Market. While I definitely think it's worth visiting at least once, I'm not sure it's a place I'd go back to over and over again. We were lucky because it wasn't too crowded the day we visited, but I've heard it can get so busy that it's hard to even walk around and enjoy it. This was my second visit, and it's definitely grown. They've added more shops, food trucks, and even a little wiffle ball field, making it feel more like a destination than just a store. That said, to me, it still felt like one giant souvenir shop filled with home decor and gifts. Since Ken and I are trying to downsize, we've managed to leave without buying a single thing. Except, of course, we had to stop by the bakery so Ken could get one of their famous cinnamon rolls. We wrapped up the day with dinner at Homestead Cafe, and it ended up being one of our favorite parts of the trip. Looking back, we wish we'd spent more time enjoying the peaceful grounds here instead of fighting the crowds at Magnolia Market. Sometimes hidden gems are the ones you'll remember the most. The food here is incredible, but the story behind the community is one worth looking into. We'll have to come back and spend more time here.
Hey guys, we stopped by the Waco Mammoth National Monument site here in Waco. We're going to go inside, take the tour. It's where they found all these, at least 33 skeletons or fossils of mammoths, Colombian mammoths. Come with us on the tour, see if it's worth your stop. All right.
They have these now for like the 250th
that'd be cool.
anniversary for
Yep.
America. This is a junior ranger for the kids. And then these are like some different view ones, like a mammoth or something. Like I did the hot springs, a tub, and
Do you usually mark the
you can put
one
them
pertaining to where you are, or you just put the date?
I did the 250 just because that's new, and then I did the date. But people, you know, they however you want to do it, you know, it's your game. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Enjoy filling it up. That's the fun.
Yeah.
You know?
We normally have to, Ken's got that national parks card. No, your card that got us in here.
Yes.
But that usually only gets you in and you don't have to pay for parking. But in order to go to the dig site, we did have to pay.
$6 for you.
Okay.
$5 for me. Seniors,
yes. And then we also did buy the national parks book that you just held up, And so we're starting our first little stamps on there, which feels like a goober doing that, but I don't care.
They have a tour starting at 12 o'clock.
They're normally every hour on the hour. This is an actual dig site where you'll find one of the most remarkable Ice Age discoveries in North America. In 1978, two local men spotted a large bone protruding from a ravine, leading to the discovery of an entire nursery herd of Colombian mammoths. Scientists have uncovered the remains of 24 mammoths, including adults and calves, making this the nation's first and only recorded nursery herd of Colombian mammoths found together. Today, visitors can walk through the climate-controlled dig shelter and see the fossils preserved exactly where they're found, offering an incredible glimpse into a herd that lived here approximately 65,000 years ago. Well, that's a wrap on our Waco adventure. Thanks for exploring with us, and we hope you'll join us on our next Strange Life Adventures. We'll see you next time.